Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute cupcake. Let's start drawing. I start from the bottom. Then I draw a wavy line here and a semicircle shape. This will be the very top of the cupcake. Now let's divide the whole with lines like this. I also draw a delicious strawberry here at the top. Amazing! Now let's draw a cute face for our cupcake. I draw two cute eyes. How beautiful! And a smiling mouth, her cheek. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored this part of the background with the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink, fuchsia, light purple. Finally, I colored the strawberry on the top with red. Dark green, yellow, and mint for the top of the cupcake. Great! Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.